Hi, I'm Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today we're going to talk to you about these equipment that we have for sale. Now, this is here on consignment, and it's a really good deal because it's almost virtually brand new. So I'm going to talk a little loud to try to get over the jets who are real close to a military base. The first item that's going to be included with this package is this VersaClean 500 psi heated portable. Now, this is a 9-gallon machine. It's got a 500 psi pump tech pump in it. It's got a 1700 watt heater. It is a Amatec Lam 6.6 vac motor. Pulls an average about 13 amps of vacuum. You're about 3 amps on the water pump and 15 amps on the heater. Now, the next thing is 4 brand new air movers. Now, these are the Typhoon air movers. These advertise as a half horsepower, but they're actually close to a third in real life. But they move about 2,000 cubic feet of air per minute, and that's included. Now, this Dry Ease Revolution is a real nice unit. Has 0 lifetime hours on it, but I can tell that someone stepped on the top, so it's a little dirty. But other than that, it's in perfect shape. It does work. Now, this Phoenix R340 has 213 hours on it, and this one here is a Phoenix R175, and it's got 213 hours on it. Still very low usage equipment. Now, this trailer is a dual axle, 14-foot long trailer. It is 6.5 feet wide on the inside. By the time you get the width, outside wheel to outside wheel, it's 8 feet. If you want to come around the back here, this has a door that pulls down on the back of the trailer so you can use it as a ramp. And this showed up, they had all the dehumidifiers and the portable and the air movers actually all stored in this area, and we pulled them out so we could walk around in here a little bit better. This first thing on this trailer, it was all Rhino lined. He did all the walls and the floor with a Rhino coating. It does have lights on it. Now, this machine is a Sapphire Scientific 370 SS unit. It has 7 hours on it. So basically it did one job. Now, this package is 3 years old. This plumbing company bought this setup and proceeded to think he was going to get into the water damage restoration, carpet and tile cleaning, and never did anything with it, and really going to let it go at a good deal. One of the other things, by the way, our mechanic went through this Truckmount and it works fine. We pulled the carburetor off. We soaked the carburetor and carburetor cleaner. We drained the fuel on the 15-gallon aluminum tank that's on the tongue. We'll get around there in a little bit. And put some fresh gas, and it fired right up. So this machine's good to go. Also on this, it does come with a spotting kit, as well as about 20 different products and a stainless steel shelf. You'll also see, as far as additional shelving, they put some kind of plywood wire rack shelving that you can tie air movers on here to get some stuff off the floor. It does have a 3 different pump-up sprayers. These are the Solo 465 HDs, I believe. 465. 2 of them are still in boxes. It has a carpet wand, Mighty Tile grout cleaning wand, a PMF stir wand, and a titanium production metal forming wand. Also included in this package is going to be a Protimeter water damage restoration kit for testing moisture levels in floors, hardwood, walls, sheetrock. It comes with corner guards as well as this pop-up wet floor sign. Comes with a triple hose reel. Now, this is a storage reel. It has 300 feet of vacuum hose on it, 300 feet of solution hose, and 50 feet of garden hose. So I guess the next thing we'll do is take you around to the front. We'll show you the aluminum gas tank. This tank holds about 15 gallons of fuel, and this trailer does accept a regular bumper pull 2-inch ball. So the trailer overall it's in perfect shape. This side has absolutely no scratches or dents. There's a little tiny ding right there. And then on this other side of the trailer, there's a little ding here on the aluminum. But other than that, the trailer's in totally perfect shape. And the owner of the equipment is letting it go at a really good deal. We'll put a whole list of all the equipment and the original value when they were sold new. So anyway, thanks for watching.